Connie Ferguson Biography, Age, Husband, Daughters, Family, Wedding and Career. Connie Ferguson Biography. Connie Ferguson, Connie Masilo Ferguson, was born on 10th of June 1970 in Kimberley, Northern Cape in South Africa. She is an actress, producer and model. She is popularly known for her role as Karabo Moroka in the soap Generations, which aired on SABC1. She starred in the Mnet soap opera The Wild, as Mrang Lebone, a helicopter mom and the matriarch of the Lebone family that aired from 2011 to 2013. Connie has played lead roles in What If, Crime Reporter, Maid Magello and Soul City 1, 2, 3 and 4. She had a lead role in the production Cape of Good Hope and made a guest appearance on Okavango. She has also made cameo appearances on Danger Zone, Masweka Bell 2 and 3, La Cielo Rula 2, On the Right Track and Serbian Bliss. In 2013 she produced and starred in the Mzansi magic drama series Rockville. In 2013 she was one of the celebrities who competed in the 6th season of a reality competition Strictly Come Dancing that was aired in SABC3. She was born on 10th of June 1970. She has 2 daughters, Cloudy and Alicia. She is married to Aaron Shona Ferguson and has 2 daughters, Cloudy and Alicia. In 1993 she was voted one of South Africa's 10 most beautiful women by Cosmopolitan magazine. In 1997 she was featured in David Dodd's Portraits of South Africa's Most Beautiful Women.